DUI on a golf cart. We are answering a DUI defense question, and we've addressed this before, but I thought it was worth talking about again. And the question is whether you can get a DUI on a golf cart, and the answer is yes. So we see a lot of golf carts being driven, even in downtown Newnan, downtown Sonoy, Peachtree City specifically. There are a lot of people on golf carts, and you can get a DUI on a golf cart. The same kind of rules are going to apply. And in Peachtree City, they have the vast golf cart, path network that you can drive amongst around the city on a golf cart. But yes, you can get a DUI on those golf cart paths. I've seen it happen. We've represented a number of folks who have received DUIs on a golf cart. So do not think that that golf cart is just an easy, I can still go to the bar, the restaurant, and have whatever I want and get home. That is not the case. Officers will stop you. It's probably even weirder for them to see a golf cart, specifically if it's in Newnan or Peachtree City, or Newnan or Sonoy, driving down the road, or in Peachtree City down a pathway. There can still be injuries caused to people. We've seen that on golf cart